Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Kaiju number 8, the game crashing at startup or crashing error, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing problem or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart Steam or PC. So just restart your Steam and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Kaiju number 8, the game, select properties. Now in the launch options, type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties, this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove these launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the Kaiju number 8, the game, as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Kaiju number 8, the game, select manage, click on browse local files. Now it will take you to the game installation folder. Now here right click on Kaiju number 8, the game exe file and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the compatibility tab, tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and hit apply, OK, then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, you can also select Windows 7 from here, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you can select this option, disable full screen optimizations, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game, check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all this option from compatibility tab, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphics card driver. So if you are having AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you're having NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you're having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in the video description. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, select your version of graphic card driver version from here. Select Windows operating system, then click on find. Then you have to download this GeForce Game Ready driver. The latest version is 581.42. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. Then hit next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers or multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager, and close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. 7th solution is to disable overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Kaiju number 8, the game, select properties. Now enable the Steam overlay while in game and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to verify the integrity of game files. So again go to Steam, go to library, right click on Kaiju number 8, the game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in video description. And once you are on this website, scroll down, download x86 and x64 version, download both the version. Now first install x64 version, so click on it. If you see a repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. Then click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair. If you see install option, then click on install and install it. And after installing both the version, restart your PC once and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to delete Kaiju number 8, the game saved folder. Please take a note, you will lose all the saved settings and game progress. Hence keep the backup of the folder to the desktop first. Now open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your users name folder. Now open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on view, show, and check mark hidden items, and then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open this Akatsuki games inclusive folder. Now first right click on it, then copy it and then paste it to desktop first to keep the backup. Then right click on it and then select delete option to delete it. Now you can launch the game and check. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall KAIJU number 8 the game. If none of the solution work for you, then uninstall KAIJU number 8 the game from your PC, then restart your PC once and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or any external SSD drive and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you were easily able to fix the KAIJU number 8 the game crashing at a startup, not launching, won't launch problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.